My name is Rahul Paul TV. I completed my graduation in 2022. My college name is RAHUL Paul Institute of Technology. I did my graduation in BE in Electronic and Communication, and I got placed in the company Light and Wonder package of 8 lakhs per annum. I'm sincerely thanking every faculties and lecturer who helped me throughout my interview process. I came here to the JSpiders with bare minimum knowledge about programming or coding or any like that learning, and from here they groomed me and they taught me and they developed me to give an interview and crack it also. And sincerely I will tell, the classes and the knowledge they are giving is very good, and I suggest all of you, if you are struggling to come to get a job in the IT, or your dream is to get a job in the IT, JSpiders Hebbal is the best place. And I'm sincerely from bottom of my heart, I thank JSpiders Hebbal.